Finally got the LED 600. I mean, yay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melin. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you were just a hater. Period. So I finally got the LED 600. I mean, yay. And we are going to be doing a review, and I'll also tell you the difference between LED light and a ring light. We're just going to compare them. So I have a ring light which is 13 inches ring light and LED 600. So I'm going to be showing you the differences in their lighting. I'll probably just tell you my lighting setup that makes my video look like this. So I'm currently using my LED light to shoot, and I also have my ring light, which is like, it's just hanging here. I'm trying to get this effect at the back. I bought the full kit of the LED light, and it came with the LED light box itself, which is currently what it's standing here. It came with a battery charger. This is what it looks like. It looks like this. Has this, we just connect it. It came with two batteries. This and this. Came with two batteries, and it came with a cord that was put into this box. I'm currently using the cord now to film because there's light, but I would advise you not to use the batteries often. Always use the cord because the cord is connecting straight to the power source, but batteries take a lot. Especially if you're trying to increase the light of your LED light, it will take up a lot of your battery life. And I would also advise you to buy the full kit of LED light because it comes with the tripod as well. But if you buy the light box itself, it doesn't come with all these things. It just probably comes with the cord and just the light or something like that. So I'd really advise you to buy the full kit. It will save you a lot of stress. As of last year, this LED light was 25,000 naira. It is currently 55,000 naira in Nigeria. So yeah. And I'm pretty sure by next year it is going to hit 100,000 naira because the way this dollar thing is going, I don't understand. So I'm going to be showing you the different lighting setup or different lighting quality so you can see which one works best for you. Like I said, I'm using my LED light and my ring light behind just to give some kind of light effect. If I were to remove that ring light behind me, this is what it will look like. So this is what my video would look like without the ring light behind it. See? There is no ring light right now. It's just my LED light. And this is not even the brightest. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This does not have any sort of editing or whatsoever. This is straight from my camera roll. This is what it looks like straight from my camera roll. And then this is what it looks like if I edit it, do my color grading, do my brightness, do my this, do my that. It will look like this. Do you understand me now? So this is what my ring light looks like without editing. This is just a ring light on me, and it's not bad actually. I don't think it's bad. Then this is what it looks like when it's edited. I've done my color grading, the brightness, I've done this, put filter, this one, that one. This is what it looks like now. So you can see the difference when you edit and when you don't edit, when you use a setting light and when you don't use a setting light. So what do you guys think? Is it giving? I don't know. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know. So now we can see the difference between the LED light and the ring light. To me, I would advise you to start with your ring light first, especially if you have a good phone already, like you are using an iPhone X or using an iPhone 11 and the rest above. Then you can start with just your ring light, and eventually you can grow to get the LED light, 600, 800, and whatever have you know. But if you do have the money to invest into LED light, then you can as well go for it. I mean, because the price is going to keep increasing and keep increasing and keep increasing. So if you have the money now to invest in LED lights, please go ahead. Because I don't understand what is happening with our dollar and naira rates. It's crazy. So yeah. If this video is able to help you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel because it's free, and share to anybody that wants to get this information. It is free. I'm giving it for you for way. Yes, I'll see you on my next video. Peace and love.